I'm at Clark Saw Center picking up my 600. She's back. Tell you what though, this 350 is driving like a dream ever since getting it back. I might take the 150, take the trailer off the 150 and use this truck to pull. Oh, that's precision metal. They do pole barns. Really good work too. Steve Kurtz, owner. Steve Kurtz, if you need any pole barns put up. I'm sure they do all sorts of other different types of metal buildings and that. But it's the only one that comes to my mind. Rust, never hurt nobody. Brand new leaf springs.